Hey everybody, oh happy day. I hope you're doing phenomenally well today. In this video, I'm going to talk with you about something that quitters cannot understand, quitters cannot grasp, all right, with insurance sales. But before we get going, jasonfinalexpense.com. I'm so blessed to partner together with some of the most amazing agents in this industry to sell things like Medicare insurance and life insurance in my national agency, face-to-face, and yes, more importantly, in the telespace over the phone. If y'all need help, reach out, and I'll help you in any way I can. But let me tell you, quitters don't understand this because they just don't get it, which is why they quit. Let me tell you, the first thing that they don't understand is how much their comfort cost them. Comfort will cost you sometimes your career. It'll cost you the opportunity. Your comfort will cost you the close, all right? When you're doing insurance, whether it's face-to-face or in the telespace, let me tell you, your comfort will kill you. It'll slaughter you fast, okay? You're going to leave like, I'm done. What happens is your comfort of, you know what, I'm not going to call anymore today. It's been a hard day. I'm going to go home. Your comfort of, ooh, you know, I'm just going to stay up too late tonight when you got to work the next day. That costs you money. Or your comfort of, you know, I just don't feel as confident to maybe, okay, use my rebuttals. I just only used one rebuttal and then hung up the phone. Or I only used one rebuttal in the home and didn't have the courage to lean forward. Your comfort, everybody, will kill you. Your comfort will cost you more than you know. Maybe you decided to go on one less appointment that day. Maybe you decided to not finish your day strong like you should have. Your comfort in this industry will cause you to fail out and quit out way prematurely. I'm telling you, I've seen this way too many times. I've done insurance. I've done telesales over 2+ decades, and I've witnessed this more times than I can count. The people that quit with insurance, let me tell you, it's a lot of times because it's their own comfort that kills them out of the industry, and I don't want anybody to fail. So don't let the little, demon of comfort cause you to not capitalize on the opportunity that you chose to dump yourself into, all right? Make this your career. But when you work, you've got to work. Your work and what you want from your work needs to be reflected in how you allocate your time, and your time is important. Time with insurance is your most valuable asset. Time with insurance, your time is your most valuable asset that you possess. Use high-end training? Yes. Use high-end scripting and power scripts? Absolutely. But if you don't apply it with the proper time, does it matter? No, it doesn't. If I'm sitting here playing, whatever y'all play on your phones all day, instead of working, guess what? I'm doing income-reducing activities. If you want success, if you want wealth, you need to work for it. There's no substitute. But if you say you want it, you need to work like what you say is what you want to see reflected at the end of the day, the end of the week. There really is no substitute for work. If you want to make wealth, you want to make a way, you've got to work, and you've got to be showing, your time clock was punched, and that time clock is being punched because you reflected it appropriately. So make sure that whatever you want, that you back it up with how you spend your time. Make sure that you're reflecting, with high work, into what you say you want to do. If you want to do, make sure you're doing and do more of it. Don't get discouraged. A lot of times people in this industry that quitters don't always get it. They say, I'm going to be comfortable, I feel better. And then what happens is we feel like crap the next day because you know you quit, right? You know you didn't do what you knew you should have done. You know you didn't do what you know you should have done. And then you get home, you pop a cold one, you have a Pepsi on the back porch, and then you suck your thumb going, and you wake up the next day and you feel like crap because you didn't do what you said you wanted, and that's just defeating you, right? So you've got to work for it. Do what you say you want. When you say you want it, good. Let your work reflect it, and you will be a wealthier agent that doesn't quit. You've got to put the time in. You've got to put the grind in. There's no substitute for doing. When you start your day, start it with everything. Start it on point. but don't end discouraged. Be driven. You've got to be driven, all right? So when you start your day, start every day like you're broke. Start every day like you're broke. Doesn't mean you are broke, but you need to start that day with that mindset, okay? The insurance industry, if you haven't been in the industry a long time, at first, let me tell you, it's kind of an eat what you kill business. And eat what you kill business means that you've got to go work to make commissions to then get paid. Once you've been in the industry for about 9 months or so, ooh, it gets nice, okay? You start getting that back end money, month 10, 11, 12. If you're writing Medicare business, boom, boom, boom. It starts flowing and going, and then you're fat and happy as time propels itself. But the first year is always the toughest in the mind. You've got to have a strong mind and a strong grind at first. You can't lose heart. You can't lose hope. Don't stop. So many people, they stop so close. Like you've seen the cartoon where the guy's digging dirt in a tunnel and he's trying to find the diamonds, trying to find the gold, right? Y'all have seen this. And then he stops right before he broke through. His breakthrough moment was right there. He would have been wealthy, but nope, he just turns around and just goes the other way. He quits. This happens to so many good agents. They're so close sometimes. I see this with other agents from other agencies. They quit too soon, or maybe they got discouraged, all right, because they weren't being invested into. They didn't have a work family that really cared for them, knew how to pick up the phone, okay? They're told to go schedule a phone call, and who are you again? You know, it's like they're so detached sometimes, certain agencies are, from their agent force. And that's not going to help you sometimes. If you're wanting, okay, just a piece of paper, fine, but it'll hurt you. You need work family that's there with you so that you don't get discouraged. The insurance space is a negative space at times. You're going to get told no more than you get told yes. And if anyone tells you any different, they're lying to your face. So understand that you will be successful if you will just work yourself through your problems. Work will always outweigh the negative airspace. You've got to focus forward. You've got to start your day like you're broke, but you've got to serve people like you don't need the money. Okay? Start your day like you're broke and serve them like you don't need the money. You're not looking at the dollars. You're not looking at the dollars. You're not looking at the commission. And this is so hard to do when you're new because you're trying to pay your bills, right? You're like, oh, how if I sell this lady or this man this policy, how much am I going to make, right? And it's like they can see the dollar signs in your eyes. That's not good. That's not going to make you money. It'll make you commission breath smelling. So when you're selling anything, focus on meeting needs, all right? Not selling, focus on serving. I know it sounds backwards, but it'll put you in the right place. Focus on serving them, and then the sales will happen as a result when you just slow it down. You'll be a better agent. So start the day like you're broke, and then serve them like you don't need the money. I hope this helps you, but stay in this industry. Do not quit. Quitters don't understand it takes hard work. It takes a strong mind and a strong set of grind. But be good, be great. I hope this helps you and serves you well. Have a phenomenal day. Tomorrow is a-coming, and I know that you're ready. Do not give up. These people need you, and I know you're ready to serve. Have a great day and a better tomorrow. Thanks, you guys.